If f x y equals to exponent x plus 2y, show that delta 2f delta x squared plus delta 2f delta y squared equals to 5 fxy. So let us recall back how to differentiate exponent fx. So to differentiate exponent fx, we need to differentiate f, then times with exponent fx. Copy down exponent fx. So let us find the first partial derivative with respect to x first. So differentiate exponent x plus 2y with respect to x. We need to differentiate x plus 2y with respect to x, which is 1. 2y is 0 because it is a constant. So differentiate x with respect to x is 1. So 1 times exponent x plus 2y. So to differentiate once again with respect to x, so this is second order of partial derivative with respect to x, or delta 2f delta x squared. Differentiate once again with respect to x is also exponent x plus 2y. Easy, right? Okay. Now we're going to differentiate with respect to y. The first order of partial derivative with respect to y. So now we're going to differentiate exponent x plus 2y with respect to y. So what we have to do first is to differentiate x plus 2y with respect to y. So differentiate x with respect to y is 0 because x is a constant. Differentiate 2y with respect to y is 2. So copy down exponent x plus 2y. So now let us differentiate again our first partial order derivative. First order partial derivative with respect to y. So we're going to have d2f delta y squared. So if we differentiate x plus 2y with respect to y, we're going to have 2 times 2, which is 4 exponent x plus 2y. So now let us take a look again. Show that delta 2f delta x squared plus delta 2f delta y squared equals to 5 fxy. So let us make some addition of delta f delta x squared plus delta 2f delta y squared equals to exponent x plus 2y plus 4 exponent x plus 2y, which is 5 exponent x plus 2y. So we know that exponent x plus 2y is fxy. So we have 5 fxy. So this is shown.